Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare Seemebadane Palya. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 3 to 4 Seemebadane, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 2 potatoes, 4 green chillies, half grated coconut, salt as per taste, and for seasoning, oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Come, let's start the preparation. In a vessel, add few tablespoons of oil. Add mustard. Let the mustard splutter. Then add 1 onion. Fry for few minutes. Then add 1 tomato. Fry for few minutes. Green chillies, potatoes, fry for few minutes. Add Seemebadane kai. Add half grated coconut. Add 2 cups of water. Cook for 10 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Yummy! Seemebadane Palya is ready. Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.